Good morning and welcome students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So beta, we are just continue the chapter number 1. This is the basically a revision chapter. I am revising you this chapter again. So this chapter will come in your UT as you know it. So continue this chapter. We are just continue from the page number 6, archaeological sources. First of all, what is that meaning of archaeology? So basically beta, archaeology is the study of remains of the past. What is that meaning of archaeology? Archaeology is the study of remains of the past. So, and who is the archaeologist? The people who dig up the earth. Who is the archaeologist? The people who dig up the earth to find the remains of past buried under it. The study is called a archaeology, and the people who are founded it, that is a archaeologist. So beta, in this study they study about the buildings, pottery, weapons, tools, ornaments, bones, grains, remain of plants. Basically they are broadly divided into following divisions. Have you seen in this picture? See this, these are the two archaeologists and they are finding that two skeletons. They are both are the archaeologists. Basically archaeologists are divided into inscription, coins, monument or remain of buildings, artifacts, pottery, sculpture or ornaments, paintings, tool, etc. Other miscellaneous objects like of plants, bones of animal, scattered grains, weapons, piece of stones, etc. So one by one we are reading this about what is that meaning. First of all, inscription. What is the inscription? Have you seen in this stone? See this. Beta, inscription are records engraved mostly on rocks, stone, pillar, wall and on a metal slabs. Have you seen this alphabets? आपको दिख रहे होंगे इसमें. These are called the inscription. Basically that is engraved on rocks, stone, pillars, walls पर. Inscriptions are most reliable evidence. The study of inscription is called what? Epigraphy. The study of inscription is called epigraphy. Okay. So basically beta, large number of inscriptions are about our older orders to the various of kings. Who made this? Most of the kings have were made it about it. Okay. For example, inscription of have you listen about the Emperor Ashoka? Tell about it. He most inscriptions are written in the which language? Prakrit. Like right now you are just using the script of what? हिंदी में कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करते हैं? यू आर यूजिंग देवनागरी एंड इन इंग्लिश विच स्क्रिप्ट वी आर यूजिंग? रोमन. सो दैट टाइम which what type of script they are using? Prakrit, Pali, Brahmi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Tamil. Okay, these are the scripts which were written, which were language on written on that inscriptions. Now coins. Have you seen in this picture? This is the ancient Indian coins. The study of coins is known as the numismatics. The study of coin which is known as numismatics. Thousands of coins, Indian coins have been discovered. Okay. They basically the reliable coin. The coins have in this coin. Have you seen this? The images of king, and this coin basically made of the metals. Okay, this coins is made of the metals. And basically beta, in this is have you seen that in the your king the Samudragupta shows as playing veena, which show the interest in music. Basically this type of coins show the interest of kings and how they are economic condition about it. Okay, so now we are just about the monument or remains of building. So बेटा, what is that monuments? Monuments क्या होता है? Monuments building of historical importance like Qutub Minar is a monument, Taj Mahal is a monument. Monument means which is a historical building and it have a historical importance also. So monument consists buildings, stupas, caves, temples. Buildings which are the historical significance are called monuments. Which have a historical significance or have a historical importance, they are called a monuments. They are immensely valuable. They tell us what they are tell us. They tell about the art, architecture, religious and cultural life of that time of people. यानी कि इनकी हमें देख के ये पता चलता है कि आर्ट उस समय पर आर्ट religious and cultural life of that people. Some of example like Sanchi Stoop, Ajanta and Ellora caves and artifacts and other findings. What is that meaning of artifacts? Artifacts, that object of past that were made by men like look tools or ornaments etc. बेटे basically artifacts क्या है? Artifacts is a made by the men like a tools or a pottery or ornaments, various object human made such as ornaments means jewelry, toys, tools, pottery give valuable knowledge how people lived, how their occupation and their costumes, किस तरीके से वो रहते थे, क्या ड्रेसेस पहनते थे, कैसा उनका लाइफस्टाइल था. दीज आर नोज अंडर द आर्टिफैक्ट्स. हमें आर्टिफैक्ट्स को देखकर ये पता चलता है. अकाउंट्स ऑफ फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स. सम आर फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स बेटा हु आर केम टू इंडिया एंड write down their books here like Indica written by Megasthenes. Indica is a book name, okay, and Megasthenes is the writer name, okay. Indica is a book name and who wrote the Indica? Megasthenes. In that Indica क्या लिखा उस बुक ने? उसमें टू इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मौर्य एम्पायर, यानी कि पूरे मौर्य एम्पायर के बारे में मेगास्थनीज ने बुक में लिखा. एंड व्हाट इज दैट बुक नेम? इंडिका. ग्रेट. नाउ सिमिलरली फाहियान इज अ चाइनीज पिलग्रिम. हुआंगसांग, दे बोथ आर केम टू इंडिया एंड लिव्ड देयर. यहाँ पर ये रहे. इन 15 to 17 सेंचुरी में आए, यहाँ रहे. एंड दे हैव टू रिटन अबाउट हिज बुक्स ऑल्सो. इन्होंने अपनी बुक्स लिखी और बुक्स में इंडिया के किंग के बारे में, क्वीन के बारे में, यहाँ की रिलीजियस लाइफ, सोशल लाइफ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इन्होंने लिखी. हिस्ट्री अलाउ अस टू लर्न हाउ द पीपल लिव्ड इन द पास्ट. हिस्ट्री क्या? पास्ट में हाउ पीपल दे आर लिव्ड, हाउ दे आर इंटरेक्ट विद द नेचर, how they are observed, how they are understood, experiments, device which they are using, why they are moving here and there, lot of things कि पहले कैसे लोग रहा करते थे. So these are things to know about the history. It encourage, examine and question knowledge that we have gained. The study of history make us understand our past better in a manner that we do not repeat the पास्ट मिस्टेक. हमें हिस्ट्री को जान के ही ये पता लगता है कि क्या क्या चीज़ें पुराने समय में हुई, और इसको हम इसीलिए पढ़ते हैं ताकि जो गलतियां हमसे पास्ट में हुई, हिस्ट्री में हुई, वो हम दोबारा रिपीट ना कर सकें. थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर संडे एग्ज़ाम और संडे यूटी. थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स.